Initial sounds substitution. First grade phonics lessons with initial consonant blends. Words from the Ed word family by Letty's Lessons. These are the objectives and Common Core standards. This word is bred. Say bread. If you change the brr in bread to fur, what word do you have? Fred. If you change the fur in Fred to sure, what word do you have? Shred. If you change the sure in shred to bl, what word do you have? Bled. If you change the bl in bled to sl, what word do you have? Sled. If you change the sl in sled to fl, what word do you have? Fled. If you change the fl in fled to pl, what word do you have? Pled. If you change the pl in pled to brr, what word do you have? Bred.